Okay, are we ready, Quinn, to sing? Okay, ready? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Aunt Louise. Happy birthday to you. And many more. Okay.
Dive in.
No. Does he still take naps?
He took a 3.5-hour nap today.
Wow.
But he's down to like 1, sort of.
He's feeling the midnight hour, burning that midnight oil.
Huh? That's big.
I don't know. Can you have steel?
Huh?
What?
The steel fork. Quinn.
Can he have a piece?
Here we go. Here's a Quinn.
Want some?
Here, wait, that has
some?
crab on it, sweetie pie.
Here.
Here you go.
This is a new one.
You like it?
Is it good?
You need some for mommy. Yeah, I'll get you another one of these. I know it's mom's favorite.
Is this your favorite?
No, she doesn't like it just like you.
No, I don't like it either, yeah.
Well, that's good.
I only like limes and beer. One place I like limes.
You want some more? Okay, here you go, honey pie. No? You don't want any more? No? Okay.
Oh, dong.
It's like that.
Yeah.
Wash it down. Give some more to your dad. You're all done. Your wife off your feet.
Do you like it too? Do you like it? You have some.
I did.
Oh, you did? Stuck right in there. I didn't even see it.
Yep. When you weren't looking, I went under your arm and scooped right in.
That's seriously sweet. Nice and tart.
Yeah, I like it tart.
You think it's too sweet?
I think it's sweet.
Well, they weren't known for their desserts. You know what? The truth is, I've never met a key lime pie.
That's right.
That's like me. I never met a crab I didn't like.
We've had a few that bit us.
Really?
When you were diving, baby.
When we used to go crabbing.
That's like the last time we ever went down there.
I told you we went camping down at Chincoteague.
No. How was that?
We went down to Chincoteague and went camping down in Maryland.
Did you see the horses?
Yeah, we saw
Yeah.
the ponies. Yeah.
Ponies?
Yeah.
It was gorgeous.
Great. We spent 3 days camping. Well, we got there, right? We get there, we set up camp, right? It's a park-in like tent where we used to have in Delaware. Campground. So we get all our stuff out of the Subaru, we go to set up our tent, right? We set it up and we're like,
Don't look right.
it's the 2-person, not the 4-person, and it's meant for 1 person. So Louise and I are in there sleeping that night
Like real close.
We're like this. We can't roll over. We're sweating because we had the rain tarp over and there's no open windows when the rain tarp's over. It's like, literally like, things are like clawing on the outside. And I remember actually waking up at night and like clawing back at it.
Were they crabs or
they were
raccoons?
I mean, I love camping,
Oh
but
my gosh,
honestly, it's been like
we're
15
doing
years,
this.
all the ambient sounds.
We get up in the morning.
Freak me out because it's not like you're in, I mean, you are in the
And,
but you have
well,
also
actually, before we went to sleep, this motorcycle, 2 motorcycles come in, they set up camp there. They look over and they're like, oh, is that your tent? And we're like, yeah, it's a
honestly,
tent.
the
They're like,
worst
oh,
night of
it's a
sleep
little
I
pop-up tent.
ever had in my life. In the morning, we woke up and we went
The next day and bought a 6-person tent.
a 6-person tent with like an awning.
Whenever it comes, he might miss.
That's right. We bought like a fan to put in it. It circulates the air.
We bought a blow-up mattress.
We bought a blow-up. We were like, now who's quaint. That's right.
The only thing your tent didn't have was wheels.
That's right.
Oh, an RV!
So we actually at the end of the trip we took back the blow up because it had a hole in it.
Oh.
So we took it back. We kept the tent, and we had 2 coolers, one with beer, one with food. We ate like kings. We had steak. We had chicken,
Corn. I've never done car camping before because I've always done, portaging. So my whole thing was, you always carry as little as possible. You rough it as much as possible. I'll tell you, after that first night, I was like, I'm buying a pillow.
Yeah.
I'm buying
You fit it in the car, it's coming with us. Kitchen sink, coming with us.
And we're sitting there by our campfire. I mean, I had my iPhone and I had downloaded some This American Life.
Yeah.
So we were sitting there listening to This American Life by the fire, in our chairs. Like, we just went car camping in right by Chickasee. It was so fun. It was so
It's
relaxing.
great. We're listening to This American Life, drinking beer by a fire, which we bought wood for at the store up the street. It was like, yeah, we're like, it was, but it was so kind of antithetical to what the way we used to camp, which was like canoeing down a river with what you have in the boat. You get off and you kind of make a tent. And I was telling Louise, I was like, we need to get a walk. We need to get a walk because a walk when you're camping, it's water. It's great.
It's nice.
Makes stir fry, makes chicken.
Anybody else need a water?
Great.
Yeah, that's what I did.
It was those 3 days were the most relaxing of the entire summer.
Did nothing but sit there, and chill, went for walks, went into town, but mostly just sat there and looked up at the trees.
Hi, honey pie. Hi, honey pie. No. Yeah, it was just like about being still.